okwatibwa kwa senior citizen, former Minister of Ethics and Integrity, Mama Miriam Matembe, tewali yandiyagadde kubeewo era twandisebe omukyalo yateebwe. Naye ate mu mbeera y'emu okukwatibwa kwa Mama Miriam Matembe abaamukutte bonna in the other way nandigambye nti kiyambyeko kitya. Kiyambyeko abamu ku bantu ababadde beebuza amagezi okutandika okukakasa n'okutegeera ebigambo Mama Miriam Matembe byazze ng'ayogera. Okuva omukyalo no yaluziddwawo, family members ababadde batafa ku kuwamba kw'abantu batandise okukkiriza n'okukakasa nti yes, it is true, abantu bawambibwa. Omuntu yasoose ovaayo okukuba alarm ku kukwatibwa kwa Miriam Matembe ku social media era ya breaking the story eno yabadde mutabaniwe mutabaniwe because amuyita aunt Je Kazora. Je Kazora, a day before oba a week before oba few weeks back nga bakute Elias Lukwago, Je Kazora yakola eno statement njagala ogiwulirize tukomewo.
So today I want to analyze MK's media team strategy, and I think these guys are brilliant. Now, today, yesterday, everyone is talking about MK, but I've looked at those pictures. Those pictures are fake. It's not true. The mayor was never in the basement. They did nothing. Yeah, they are fake pictures. Even Eddie Mutwai went back, I looked at them. They were fake. These guys are now writing this narrative, and I'm like, you know, to get this talkability. So, MK has a few things that he has to work with. Number one, the generals. Yeah? Because if President Museveni died today, the generals, it could be a problem. So he has to make sure there's fear, there's control of our uncles, those ones are our fathers. Yeah? And no one came through to say a single word. It's only Uncle Tumkude who came. And even his tweet, what he said, oh, I believe in your leadership, please. It's like, Uncle Tumkude, you know, you come out. But no one came out. So if you control those ones, now the next is now Parliament. He announced on X that the speaker will be both and never say before the father announced, before SEC, the guy just put it there. So he has control there now. And then Joel, Kati Amtan Seko, my young brother, I don't know what's going to happen. But if that war is won again, then you know he has control of that. Now he comes to us. Kati now, okay, even before us, you know, those politicians that make noises here, take it to the, you're next. Yeah. And you see, even Bobby Wine, who had stopped responding to him, now Bobby Wine is sending every day. Because Mohozi, yeah, in electricity now. Because Bobby Wine has to come. I think now the team said, I think, you know, Bobby Katumleke is not, you know. So now when it comes to us, because you must have fear, respect, and the love. So from us, now it is money and service delivery. Because now the soldiers again below him on his level, those ones, even if you're his best friend, he will put you in, you've seen the donors, all these guys who are, you eat money, the guy will, now if you're below him at his level there, now those ones, there is a fear, there is control. So if he gets up the generals, Parliament, then us, service delivery. Do you know what he can do? Like, for example, you go to the ghetto here, the fire base, you say how many people here? 10,000, put 10,000 units. No color projects. There are there projects in the UK, they do them.
Now, that is Kazora. Eno video ya jikola, Lukwago nga akwatiddwa. A few days after Lukwago nga akwatiddwa, ndowooza olunaku Lukwago lweyaleeterwa mu kooti, Kazora yakola video eyo. And so many people were bitter about him. Never mugamba gwe just okyalisa bijanjalo mpiso. Naye ke kinajja mu nnyumba yo ojja kakasa kyeki. Olunaku lwejjo nga bakutte Mama Miriam Matembe. Ebigambo byabadde ng'ayogera ku muhoozi bakazoora batabani be batandise obbi notisinga. It is just time. Kazora kati bye bine bigambo byayogera.
Hello everyone, my name is Jackie Kazora. I come from the Kanjinja family. Today is the 26th of June 2026, and the Kanjinja family from Rutoma Kashari, and where Auntie Miria Kubununga Matembe is part of. And as a family, I've been tasked to send out a video and reach out to some friends and family, especially from Kashari, to see if they can help us find Auntie Miria. As you know, a few days ago, the drones came to Auntie Miria's home in Ruzira, and she was not there, and they left. But in actual sense, she was jogging. She was taking her morning walks. So I think probably the drone people, we think, I don't know, they could have probably found her on the road walking, and they took, and since there's no one to take videos or pictures, so they could have taken her. But we honestly, we don't know. Yeah. So I'm trying to reach out, and Aunt Miria, if you're still there, probably in hiding. But the Kubulunga we know, I don't think she would hide. She's someone who will come out and say, yeah, my God will protect me, come take me. So we are a bit confused and worried. We don't know. But just reaching out to the great family of Kashari, people that we're relatives to, we've grown up with, our people, Aunt Karen Kayunga, you're part of us. Even you, Edwin Karujire, you're from Kashari, our MPs, Nathan Itungo, JB Patrick, Kayanjire family, Nindo family, the Majeres, the Kazoras, the Chad, Ndura family, anyone, even Mzee Saviti, we're all from Kashari. That is our home, that is our daughter, that is our auntie. So we just want to know. We don't know, because Aunt Miria is not the sort of person that will go into hiding and all that. So we're a bit worried. And for the people that took her, if she's almost 80, I don't think she can measure up with the torture and all that. If she hasn't made it through, please don't, dump her somewhere.
Now, this fool is acknowledging, naye atandise okikiriza, nti if someone is kidnapped, abducted in a drone, they torture her or him. They can even kill her and throw her, dump her anywhere. Naye ku Lukwago ne Edi Mutwe abawambibwa ne babajjamu engoye ne bateeka ebifaananyi social media, the fool was saying that was edited. Kati kituuse kuwuwe akulaga nti n'amavivi agakubye ku ttaka, atandise okukkiriza nti yes, n'asaba n'osaba, she's old, please don't torture her, don't dump her. That is what we always been saying. Nti oli eyo kyakuba jjejjerebu, naye the day that devil will enter your house, ojja kuba si kyakyala. Tuli fenna video gye yakola nga bamaze okukwata Elias Lukwago. Kazora yayogera ebigambo bino, kambikuddira omanjagala nnyo bannayuganda muwulira vidiyo eno era nsaba ogitambuze. Lwe bakwata Lukwago yayogera bino.
So today I want to analyze MK's media team strategy, and I think these guys are brilliant. Now, today, yesterday, everyone is talking about MK. But I've looked at those pictures. Those pictures are fake. It's not true. The mayor was never in the basement. They did nothing. Yeah, they are fake pictures. Even Eddie Mutwe, I went back, I looked at them. They were fake. These guys are now writing this narrative. And
now, the fella is saying, ebifaananyi ebya Eddie Mutwe byali fake. Ebifaananyi bya Elias Lukwago byali fake. Even after the guy is coming out, ne bagaba ne omusajja yampisizza bubi. Eddie Mutwe akyogera embeera gye bamuyisaamu. Era yagenda okuvaayo gye baali bamutadde mu basement nga musajja wa tekyasobola natambula. Now the fella was saying they were fake. It is so unfortunate nti example tugiweredde ku maama Miriam Matembe. Naye tetulina kyakukola maama oba olaba vidiyo eno. Katonda atuyambye n'akozesa ggwe owaabwe okusobola okumanya nti yes bano abasajja ebyaddala bawamba. kuba obadde ng'ogamba eggwanga ebigambo bino nga bano abaana bo babeera mu kunywa walagi. Kati kituuse kuggwa owabe kya nnaku nnyo nti Katonda example agireetedde kuggwa Maama Miriam Matembe. Oba oli awo yandikitaddeko ebyo bitamani byo ebisiba binywa walagi ne bimanya nti eggwanga lyayonooneka, eggwanga lyavunda, lyetaaga kubanga tulitereeza mu mbeera yonna. Sina kyakwongera ku eno vidiyo akategedde givuga.